I am your host, Asa Kane. I hope that you've been able to recover. Those of you that had significant losses over the weekend, to some extent, to those of you that have had assets liquidated, I hope you learn from the events of Friday, October the 10th, 2025. I thought about doing a video on it over the weekend, but the subject of today's video is the reason why. It is a brand new platform and its governance token, of course. I'm talking about ChainOpera AI. In this episode, I'm going to be breaking down everything that's connected to it, what it does, how it came about, its features, everything. To be quite honest with you, I thought about doing this video last week before the crash, but I didn't. And quite honestly, the reason I didn't, because I've already given so much to my viewers. And I knew, nothing is guaranteed, but I had very strong thoughts that the token would do very well when I first heard about it. Not even heard about it, when I first looked into it. I don't hear about it. I've never heard about any token. Well, let me take that back. The last token I heard about is Celsius. That was in 2020, the end of it, beginning of 2021. And those of you that have been around for a while, you know how that went. I'm showing you some of our library here. These are other new projects over the last couple of months that I've shared, excuse me, with my viewers. If I'm you, I will go back and look at all of these. Because there's so much life-changing information in these videos. It is insane, but truth be told, the channels like mine that have small views are typically the most valuable ones. It's crazy how that works. And only have one condition for sharing this information with all of you. If you learn anything during the course of this video, show your appreciation and your support by making a contribution back to the channel. You can do it with any stable coin built on Ethereum, Solana, Binance, or Polygon. It helps us to continue growing and to continue create life-changing content for me to share with you. Okay? That's how this works. Matter of fact, one other thing I wanted to show you right here. This is our Patreon. I made 3 videos over the last month of projects that are set to launch in the next 1 to 2 months. Well, you're looking at them right here. One of the 3 is set to, at the bare minimum, 2x as soon as it launches. This has been verified by the platform. And just that one tip alone is worth the $50 for the monthly access to our Patreon. That one of these 3 videos, but they're all valuable. But just one of them, it's a 2x out the gate. That's what we do here. It's what we do. It's what we've been doing since day one. One last thing, make sure you hit the bell notification, subscribe, and also hit the like button to make sure this video gets out to others like yourself who are new, who want to learn, and who want to start earning immediately. Now, what is ChainOpera AI? That is the question. At its heart, ChainOpera, also referred to as ChainOpera AI or CoAI, is a next generation fusion of blockchain plus AI infrastructure. Its mission to build a fully decentralized, community-owned AI ecosystem where contributors of data, compute, model, and code are rewarded and AI agents are co-created by the community. ChainOpera AI. Now, today's AI ecosystem is dominated by centralized platforms big tech firms with the data, GPUs, and models. ChainOpera seeks to flip that model, giving more power, transparency, and reward to developers, infrastructure providers, and even end users. Now, to break this down, ChainOpera is building a layer one blockchain AI protocol optimized for AI workloads, a federated AI operating system platform for running, composing, and managing AI agents, and a decentralized model and GPU data marketplace to power those agents. Stay with me. In other words, it's a full stack from hardware to agents, designed for a future where AI is built by the many, not by the few. Now, I'm showing you some of the partners. Do you see Google Cloud Data? These are companies that are invested into this project. Do you understand that? Think about that. We're of course on the official website. I will link this in the description of the video. Uh, but I want you to think about that. Toyota, Samsung, they are all heavily invested into this platform. All right. Now, let's go a little bit deeper. Why ChainOpera AI? I want to share this with you. Our thesis is that artificial general intelligence will not arise from a single large model like today's LLMs, but from collaborative intelligence, a network of specialized models across modalities and agents working together in complex workflows, contributed by distributed institutes and individuals in a decentralized ecosystem. Okay. Then it's talking about the app right there underneath. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Now, that right there, we're looking at someone's individual avatar. Of course, that's just an example that we're looking at. Then, right down here, the agent app for your AI terminal. This is so, I'm so amped up about this. And in a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you why. But just even this, excuse me, just even all of this, being able to do all of this, honestly, between me and all of you, uh, I found out about the project 3 weeks ago. And during the course of making videos, when I had off time, I was researching this project because I made a lot of videos over the last month or so. Yeah, but anyway, look, now you're looking, this is some of the things that you're able to do with your agents. Now, for me as a business owner and a content creator, this is so up my alley, all of this. That's another reason why I'm so excited about this project. I'm so fucking excited. You just don't even know. Look at this. The social network of AI agents. It's more than a platform for AI agents. It is a collaborative ecosystem. Underline that collaborative. Put it in quotes. Collaborative meaning working with others, not just your bots going out doing tasks that you assign them to do, but working with other people and their bots. I mean, this is so intricate. I mean, I, I love this. Then right here, AI agent developer firms. That being said, with that architecture in mind, what does the chain opera ecosystem look like in practice? Well, flagship product is AI Terminal. The AI Terminal is Chain Opera super app, gateway to the AI economy. Users can interact with agents, perform tasks, earn rewards, and contribute data. It's envisioned as a type to earn app. Every interaction helps collect data, refine models, and strengthen the network, and users are recognized for their contributions, rewards. The community is already contributing to prompt to earn, check-in task, agent interactions, and more as a way to build engagement ahead of fuller launch. All right, so you need to know all of this. The agent marketplace and social multi-agent network, developers can publish agents, monetize via API calls, and benefit from the distribution of via the AI terminal. ChainOpera is also building an agent social network where agents and users can chat, collaborate, share workflows, form agent groups, you name it, much more. Now look at that global CPU, GPU cluster. Community is all over the world. That's why you see that map right there, literally all over the world already. And then right here, the protocol and native chain, blockchain based operating system built on trust, transparency, and collective ownership. Collective, again, it's the second time I'm underlining and quoting that word, gentlemen. All right, because it is key with this platform. All right. I'm I'm going to show you exactly why I'm as excited as I am today, and I have been even through this storm, through this crash of millions of guys and some women, however few they are, get liquidated. Although I can't even really picture a woman leverage trade. That's just me. I'm just look at this. Wait a minute. Now that's just the technical side with the nodes and the POS. This is the founder right here, Salman Avistamir, co-founder, CEO, and then Aiden Chuang He, USC professor. Actually, he's got a video up on YouTube. Professor Salman. I looked at it night before last. Maybe I'll link it in the description. But one other thing I want to share with all of you. Look at this is the token allocation. The project is brand new. And I said that I wasn't going to share any more of my new projects with anyone until I started getting more support back from you. I said that less than a month ago. Uh, I mean it this time. If I don't get some meaningful support back on this video, then fuck all of you. I mean, to the point where I'm no comments. I don't need to talk to anybody. I really don't. I don't. This is not friends. This is business. This is make money. Now, as of today, Wednesday, October the 15th, 2025, top left hand corner, we can see it's about to get real fucking serious. Watch this. Price per coin, 1757, up just under 90% in the last 24 hours. You haven't seen shit yet. Watch this. Market cap, 3.45 billion with a B. It's already number 200 out of over 10,000 altcoins on the market today. Are you fucking kidding me? Keep going. Trade volume for the last 24 hours, just under $400 million. Do you even have any chain opera coins? Do you even know anything about it before you watch this video? Look at this shit. This is real life money right now. Maximum supply 1 billion coins over the last week, up 226%. Top left hand corner, gentlemen. It's about to get even more. It's nothing yet. You've seen nothing. But look at this. 2 days after the crash, we hit an all time high of what you see there, $41. $41. And I didn't buy in at $15 or even $10 or even $5. I'm gonna show you. And I thought about making this video over the weekend. I asked myself, why? Who am I giving this to? Because I don't have a community of supporters yet. After 4 years, I still don't. But while all of you were getting wiped out, I was making money on Chain Opera. And I'm still making money. I mean, I sold some coins, yeah, but I have the majority of mine. I mean, look at this profits. You haven't seen anything yet? Watch this. The last month, read that, 3,400%. Stock market can't touch crypto. Are you kidding me? Once you have knowledge and you understand how things work and you apply it and you have discipline, then you become someone like me. Look at this. October the 1st, best day of the year. One of, to me personally, less than $1. And between me and you, I already owned some at that time. So you see, I don't need to do this. I do this because I want to do it. I make zero money off of this video. If you learned anything at all from the last 15 minutes of me sharing this new project with you that has so much promise, so much potential, and it's made a few of us so much money over the last few weeks. Show your appreciation and your support by contributing back right now. Any stable coin will do. The amount relative to the value you have just received from yours truly. It helps us to grow, to continue to share. First of all, I'm going to find these kind of projects because it's what I do, but sharing them and then making a video, spending hours of my day making a video about it to share with you. I didn't have to do this. I haven't talked to anybody in my life about this project until this very moment. You have no idea what it's like to be me. Scan the QR code. Any token built on Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, Binance. Do it right now. We really have to start supporting each other because we don't. When you get value from other men, it's your duty to contribute back to whatever institution or whatever they have going on. My little guy right here, this is our mascot. I built him with AI. Matter of fact, he's not even a week and a half old. He's going to be seen a lot more in upcoming videos. He's part of the team now. I mean, he's not going anywhere. He's just getting started. And even though it's been 4 years, we're just getting started. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.